Guys, imagine this is the mirror that I have. This I need to improve on my mirror. And I have this girl here nowadays. Just see her like looking at nini merudi stima. Just kione.
That's what I think.
Yeah, because that's the
David's here, gnawing at me.
Akata.
To you, I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. She's my African mother, strong and pure, a shining light, yeah, always endure through every heart. Her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love is always true. 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 I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. I owe it all. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. I owe it all. Her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Hey, she's my African mother, strong and pure, a shining light, yeah, always endure through every hardship and every trial. Her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love was always true. Your love was, she sacrificed so much for me. Sacrificed so much. Your love was always true. Her love was always true. And I owe it all to you. And I know I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. Hey, I owe it all to you. Hey, I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. She's my African mother, strong and pure, a shining light, yeah, always endure through every hardship and every trial. Her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love is always true. Your love is always true. Your love is always true.
Now she's so.
Your love is always true. I owe it all to you.
It's only the beat that we will.
I owe it all.
Actually,
I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need.
I can't even remember where our beats
I
are.
owe it all. Her love for
Like
me,
seriously.
yeah, it gon' never expire.
Serious mega. But I am so so small. She was planted by a auntie. Yes. Today we are going to see our mommy. Sinda. Tunaenda kuona nani? Our grandma. Yes. Guys, it's only like not even 3 days. I had said like this mirror of mine is so old and I need to upgrade, and guess what? This is what it did to me. It's like it had this feeling.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Oh no, don't touch. Don't touch. Yeah, she's she's the one who made it fall down when she was here busy.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no. Are you okay? You want hug? I think it had what I said about it, so I'm going to throw it away before it cuts us, and I'll remain without a mirror. So I'll be looking at myself at the window, because I have a window which has a full like a good like mirror. So before I buy, and I don't know if I will buy, because I am that lazy buying mirrors, like buying not even mirrors alone, but I would later have been so lazy buying things, or even also because I don't have my money for. So yes. Okay, acha kupaka vitu zangu please. Za watu wakubwa. Ulikuwa unatumia Sandra? Haya. Ya Sandra gani? Oh, ile ya Sandra ya Fenty. Najua Fenty ni poa. Hiyo sijui ni gani. Yes. Hiyo ni za huko Dubois. Mpule hata nitakuharibu hapa lips hapa. We are ready to go to sleep.
Okay.
Show them your pajama.
My pajama.
Your pajama, yeah, that one.
Okay.
Mini, sleep, and what else?
My pajama.
Your pajama. And your pajama is outgrowing you. No, it's okay. It's okay.
No.
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice.
Yes, my
for sleeping.
No.
Mebaki socks. Bring your socks. Shikarudisha hii pale ilikuwa. Hide this mirror so that Ella will not find it until I throw it. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. It's now we are about to sleep actually. Yeah, we're going to say our grace and then we sleep. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good night all.
Good night all.
And good day.
A good day.
You haven't even washed your face, Saki.
Okay.
And you brush your teeth.
Okay.
Yeah, you brush your teeth like.
Okay.
Bye bye. Love you all.
Bye bye, my baby.
Hug. Yes. Okay.